Hill we are walking up. This is the hill we're walking up Muncie Hill. It's really fun.
We get up when you wanna party. Turned up hotel lobby. Fast life like a Ducati. Spending money like I'm from Saudi. Bad bodies. See me coolin' with the black Barbies. Got brain 'cause she a smarty. And now I'm feeling like But it's like the way they made it. I don't think you're ready for it.
Oh yeah.
It's like I throw the ball all the way
How did I walk up here?
all the way down
Get
there.
all the liquor and I ain't even paying for it. Whoa. Any second, any minute, we about to see the
I'm
court.
pretty Muncie's already halfway down. Okay. Ah! Oh my god, Alex.
Okay, I'm gonna finish 3, 2, 1. That just shows my catching skills. Okay.
Okay, so we're just walking and it's like really fun. He's not enjoying it, but
Well, I'm standing in poo like every 2 seconds.
I'm enjoying it. We just walked up that big Muncie Hill, as you'll see.
It was actually really fun.
It was so fun.
It was actually really fun.
No, but legit, we've been walking for like 3 hours because
We started at like 1 and what time is it?
it's like 3:40 something. And I'm so hungry. No, it's like 3:12. We're like.
Oh. Taking forever. And my dog's pretty much like dragging me. If it wasn't for him, I'd be dead right now.
We like, because I love this hill. I run up this hill.
And it's really like so windy.
And my brother's here with us. I totally run up here 4 times a day. So he doesn't.
It's like so windy.
He's the laziest person I know.
Oh, that's nice.
It's true.
Not true.
So yeah, we're just having some fun.
The view is like,
Sensational.
yeah.
But we're just gonna like vlog and talk to you guys. So as if it gets like really boring. I'm gonna freaking swim.
I'll go first then.
No, you're not going first.
Yeah, nice sister, much not. Okay, go on, you got this. You got this, bro. Oh my god.
Did you fall? Did you fall?
Black pants and brown mud don't go together. Ah, your flesh! Oh my god. Ah, the leash! The leash! The leash!
So, we're taking the dogs for just a nice walk. I'm sorry. Look at my. But yeah, this.
Oh jeez.
So much fun. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh
No, this is.
I'm gonna flip. If I slip, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna.
Oh jeez.
Okay. Monty's doing so
Oh my
well.
gosh.
Wow! Congratulations! They got married!
Yeah, yeah. Oh jeez.
Okay, now. So
Oh
sorry if it gets really wobbly because I'm filming and I'm trying to stay alive at the same time.
Oh jeez.
Okay, there you go. Come on!
Leaves are my saviors right now.
Monty! Oh my god.
Billy, come here! Billy! Ah! Billy! 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 Billy!
Ah,
Did you film it?
that is good.
I nearly let like the leash go because I was giving up.
Oh my
I was giving up.
I really want to see those like married couples.
Thing.
But it's been good. Okay, so I just realized I've been talking to a camera that's not even on
Oh my god, Bella.
for that whole time. Are you kidding?
Are you legit, Bella?
We had some good stuff in there. So basically we saw like a married couple going up in a van.
We saw Vicky nearly run into a tree. Yeah.
So
Let's not mention that.
wait, are we going the wrong way? No, we're going the right way.
Come on, we're going up. I
Yeah.
think we have to go down.
No, we're going the right way. Come on, Vic.
Come on, Vicky.
Baby.
Me and my dog disagree with it.
Okay, so I'm filming upside down right now. That's great. Come on, Bentley. Come on, good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Okay, so we're walking on this little path that's pretty much the size of my pinky finger, and we realise there's a concrete path right across the road.
I know not all along, but I still.
No lambs for you. No lambs. No lambs. Go- Hey, yes. Oh, I was filming the ground the whole time. Monty! Billy! Come. Well, that was sad. I just realised how kind I am.
Why?
I bought treats for my dog, and I didn't bring treats for me. Run! Becky with the good hair. Monty with the good ears. Okay, so we're walking back. Oh, why can't we? Rabbit!
Yeah.
Down there. Come on!
Those are the bunnies.
Bunny!
Who's a good bunny? Aww, look how cute.
I just love being outside. It's so fun. And like doing like activities and stuff. Like doing, you know, like walking, running. I love running. Because they like pull you up hills and you don't have to do half the work. Penny, that's how I train my dog.